All right, here we go. This is what it looks like so far. Done a lot of work, knocking off loose stuff. I'll show you that one right. And here's the ceiling. Over this door now. You can see going on there. I'm thinking I'm going to take out those washers, try to squirt. Let's see. This is what I was missing, so I haven't been able to do the stucco yet. But try to squirt this up there so that it will hold the stuff that's falling loose, and then this will be applied before I do any stuccoing, or not stucco, plastering. So I'm gonna take the washers out, squirt this up there, make little holes, squirt it up, put the washer back on to tighten it again to the ceiling, and then plaster over the washers. I was gonna take them all out, but I'm gonna try to just plaster over it, which means it'll be smooth, but there'll be like a hump, a very thin hump. Shouldn't be too big or noticeable. Let me know if you want me to do something different. And then that corner was pretty loose. This is all where the washers are is pretty loose. What I can do is just take out all the washers and knock all the loose stuff down and just repair it like I will this and this. I'm not putting any drywall in there. I'm just gonna do the stucco on it like normal. That one's gonna get drywall. And same thing over here in this corner. It's pretty loose, but not that big of a hole. Oh, and check this out. Already got there was a whole bunch of bumpy stuff around this window. So I scraped it away, and look at this. Very weird, there was a big gap there. I don't know why that big gap was there. And this foamy thing was in this hole. No, this was in this hole. The foamy thing was in this hole. So I don't know, it looks like it goes all the way to the outside. But this was in there. Don't know what to do with those holes. Oh, and then over here, this baseboard, look, there's a big old gap behind it. And that's just weird. And it goes all the way down. So I thought about taking the baseboard off to see if I need to stucco down further. Oh no, there's your beak.